Here is our weather forecast for today. Today, 63 degrees. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties/areas: Roanoke, Virginia and Danville, Virginia until 7:43 p.m. At 7:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located moving east at 20 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm hazard. 96 miles per hour wind gusts and baseball-size hail. Source: radar. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. This severe thunderstorm will be near Partic County, Virginia at 8:13 p.m. Other locations impacted include City of Martinsville, Virginia. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or a small interior room. The current time is 7:16 p.m. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties/areas: Roanoke, Virginia and Danville, Virginia until 7:43 p.m. At 7:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located moving east at 20 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm hazard. 96 miles per hour wind gusts and baseball-size hail. Source: radar. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or The severe thunderstorm warning issued moments ago is now upgraded to a tornado emergency. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for the following counties/areas: Roanoke, Virginia and Danville, Virginia until 8:10 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located near Roanoke, Virginia, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado and 10 feet of hail. Source: radar. Impacts: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous storm will be near Patrick County at 8:36 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include City of Martinsville, Virginia. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide/obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. You could be killed if you do not follow the instructions that has been said. Take cover now.